We've got Megha Chadha joining us to talk to us about Orissa-based infra player ARSS Infra, which has bagged an order from the roads in the roads and rail sector. Megha, if you could take us through the details.
That's right, George. Well, the company is expecting and is the lowest bidder in projects worth about 200 to 300 crore rupees. The projects are going to be evenly divided between the road sector as well as the rail sector, and they are going to be executed in the state of Orissa itself. The average execution period that we're looking at here is going to be about a year and a half to about 2 years' time, over which they will be executed. Besides that, the company is hopeful of maintaining some strong margins in these new orders as well. So 18 to 20% is the sort of margin range that they are talking about. So our sources are telling us that these orders are in the pipeline, and the company probably will be making an official announcement about them pretty soon. But overall, if you put it in perspective of the current order book of the company, it stands at about 4,000 crore rupees. So 200 to 300 crore worth orders, it's not a small amount. So 5 to 6% is what it's going to add to the current order book. And besides that, already do remember the company gets orders from the railways as well as the road sector. So about 40% of the order book is from the rail side, and out of these 200 to 300 crore rupees, half the orders are going to be from the roadways and half of them would be from the railways. So the counter, do remember we had the numbers come out recently as well, and after they came out, for the last 3 days the counter in all has lost close to almost 11%. It was locked in the lower circuit as well post those numbers came out, but today as well it is a bit weak, but nevertheless low by just about 2%.